most people get this wrong when trying to access Hulu on a Spectrum cable box. They assume every Spectrum box supports streaming apps automatically. But here's the problem. Many older Spectrum receivers were never designed to run apps like Hulu directly. Here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, whether Hulu works on your Spectrum setup depends more on your device than your subscription. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to check if your Spectrum cable box supports Hulu, the easiest way to access Hulu on your TV, and what to do if the app is missing completely. Let's get started. The first thing you need to know is this. Most traditional Spectrum cable boxes do not have a built-in Hulu app. This is where most people fail immediately. For example, Alex spent an hour searching every menu on his Spectrum receiver looking for Hulu. The app simply didn't exist because his cable box model didn't support third-party streaming apps at all. So, before doing anything else, check what device you're actually using. If you have a smart TV connected to Spectrum Internet, you can usually install Hulu directly from the TVS App Store. If you use Roku, Fire TV Stick, Apple TV, Chromecast or Xbox, Hulu works there too. But here's where it gets interesting. Some newer Spectrum streaming platforms support app integration better than older cable hardware. So your experience may depend heavily on your specific setup. Now let's talk about the easiest solution. If your Spectrum cable box doesn't support Hulu directly, the fastest fix is using a streaming device. For example, Jake plugged a Fire TV Stick into his older TV and installed Hulu in under 5 minutes. No cable box upgrade needed. This is usually the simplest and cheapest option. Now in a minute, I'll show you how to fix Hulu activation issues if the app installs but won't stream. But first, let's finish the setup. Once you have a compatible device, download the Hulu app. Open it. Then sign in using your Hulu account email and password. And this part is important. Do not use your Spectrum login unless your Spectrum plan specifically includes Hulu access. Hulu normally uses its own account credentials. Now here's where most users get confused. Sometimes Hulu shows an activation code instead of a login screen. Don't panic. Simply visit the Hulu activation website on your phone or computer, enter the code shown on the TV, and sign into your Hulu account. After a few seconds, the TV should refresh automatically. But here's the problem. Many users accidentally log into the wrong Hulu account during activation. So always double-check the email address before confirming. Now let's fix the most common streaming problem. If Hulu keeps buffering or crashing, restart both your Spectrum Internet modem and your streaming device. Also make sure the Hulu app is fully updated. Older app versions often cause playback issues. And if Hulu still refuses to work, uninstall and reinstall the app completely. That clears corrupted app data surprisingly often. So to summarize, most Spectrum cable boxes don't support Hulu directly, but you can easily access Hulu using a smart TV or streaming device connected to your Spectrum Internet service. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more streaming tutorials and easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.